When you're using pigments, you can make green by mixing blue and yellow. For instance, to get green paint, try combining equal amounts of blue and yellow. Blend them together with a brush or palette knife until they're thoroughly mixed and you don't see any more streaks of yellow or blue. You can get different shades of green by combining different types of blue and yellow, or by mixing the colors in different proportions. For example, for a more bluish green, use a larger amount of blue than yellow. You can also change the value of your green by mixing in a little white or black paint. Keep experimenting until you find the perfect shade. Use the same basic rules if you're making green frosting. For instance, add a few drops of yellow and blue food coloring to a white frosting base and mix them together. To adjust the color, experiment with using different quantities of blue or yellow. If you already have green food coloring, try adding smaller or larger amounts of it to the white frosting to get paler or more vibrant results. Or darken the green frosting by adding a drop or two of black food coloring. You can also make green modeling clay by molding blue and yellow clays together. Start by pinching off equal amounts of each color. Then roll, stretch, and knead the pieces of clay together until they're completely combined. Just like with paint or food coloring, you can vary the look of your green clay by changing the proportions of the colors, using different shades of yellow and blue, or mixing in white or black to adjust the value.